Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this episode, I'm going to talk about, like in my previous video, I spoke about like how you can go ahead and invest $1,000. So there is a lot of questions get burst, and the question was like, how do I make $1,000 commissions now? So if you're in your affiliate marketing journey, like if you're looking to get started with your affiliate marketing journey, so I'm going to talk about like how you can go ahead and make that $1,000 in this video. So please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you need any help with your online business, be sure to check the first link in the description, and also be sure to subscribe to the channel because I'll be talking more about affiliate marketing, sales funnels, email marketing, mindset, and I'll be documenting my journey as well on this channel. So if you're interested, please hit the subscribe button, and let's get back to today's topic. So in order to make that $1,000, like many people like who are just beginning, especially, so they come to affiliate marketing. Most people are like get into affiliate marketing because they see somewhere like Amazon, because maybe it could be because of the YouTube videos, fancy YouTube videos that are out there, like make $10,000 with Amazon and all that Amazon affiliate marketing. So what I realized with Amazon affiliate marketing, even because that is the reason why I got started, I went ahead and created a store, something similar to Amazon affiliates, but I didn't knew like why should people come to my store instead of directly going to Amazon. So again, that's a completely different story. But like they get into affiliate marketing thinking that they will make a lot of money, and when you go in and see that Amazon affiliate marketing commission board, you will get demotivated, trust me, because the commission rates are very low. Maybe they start from 2% to max they give you 8%, and like in order to make a full-time income out of it, like you're going to sell a lot of items like in order to make that full-time income. Then I started thinking about different niches, like where I can get more money, and maybe I thought of even creating my own product. So what I realized was like there are again tens of thousands of products like that actually pays you very good commission. So I didn't even knew them. So but that actually gives you a lot of commissions, and there are so many products like even though they give you a lot of commissions, but you got to check that product first, because it's very important that the person you are selling that product to, that should provide value to that person. So you're going to that's the indication that you're going to keep making money in the long run. So if you are trying to sell a crappy product, even if you make that $1,000 commission, the kind of environment that creates, like there could be refund processes, and or it could be like you're not going to get the most sale because of the bad negativity around it. So you got to pick up such a product that can actually provide massive value to your customer. That should be your number one priority. Definitely you should go ahead and check the payout commission as well. So my mentor has recently launched a program that actually was like a bridge between like people who want to make big commissions and providing a massive value to various clients. So like again, you can go ahead and promote any other product. So my recommendation would be, like, number one, pick up a product that actually pays very high commissions. When I say high commissions, like it should actually sell you $500 to $1,000 per sale commissions. That will make your life much easier, because all you need is just 10 sales in a month in order to make 10 grand a month. And number two is like whether that product actually provides value to people or not. This will give you the indication that how long you can use this product in the long run. So next part is like what is the conversion process. So now you got a product, very good product, and like how you're going to make money. Like, are you going to send people to a checkout page, or are you going to send people to a page where they can go ahead and schedule a call? Because when it comes to affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing, so the personal touch is very important, because nobody is going to come on a land on a page and now they're going to put up their credit card and enter the information to make that $1,002 commissions out of nowhere. That's not going to happen. So it's as long as the person goes on a call, like if he has questions and that those gets addressed on the call, and he get that conviction like, okay, this product can actually help me, so then it becomes much easier for that to sell. So it's very important that whatever product you are promoting, like how you are going to make the commissions. Like, are you sending people to checkout page, or what is the conversion process? Basically, I highly recommend choose a product that can actually that are mostly focused on lead generation. So what it will do is, you generate the lead, and your lead or prospect goes to the scheduler call with the team or a product owner with a product owner's team, and the product owner's team jumps on a call, and if the deal is closed, they track back the commission. Lead came from you, so they're going to make that commission. So just imagine, like, you're trying to sell a product of $1,000, directly sending to a checkout page, or sending them to a scheduler call page. So which one would be easier? Like, both would take the same effort, but the conversion rates will be much higher on the place where they go ahead and schedule a call. Because number one step is, like, you're not asking them to pay at the beginning, because it becomes much easier. And once the lead goes on a call, he understands whether that product is really for him or her. So that can actually give the more clarity, and that gives a personal touch, and you're going to get more closures. So you got to focus on three things. Number one is, product should pay good commissions, and should provide massive value, and you should focus on the conversion process. Once you have all three ready, and you got to keep stick it to very simple. No matter whatever niche you are in, like, you're going to find a pain points around that, where people are searching, and that product can actually help as a bridge between that pain and the people. So in order to add those pillars, you're going to produce content around that topic, where the people are actually searching for that content. You're going to provide massive value, and instead you're going to ask them to go ahead and schedule a call with that team. And once they go on a call and they talk about, like, okay, this is what it is, and like, once a deal is closed, so you're going to make those high commissions. So this is a simple process. People try to overcomplicate this, like, building crazy funnels and running ads and whatnots, and people think it is way too complicated business, but it's not, trust me. So all you got to do is just focus on your basics, pick up the right product that pays you $1,000 commissions, and stick to the basics. That can actually help you grow much faster. And if you're looking for such product that can actually, which I found out, my mentor has launched, he provides marketing agency services. It could be like that, those guys provide services to people, like, who want to get started with their online business, like, who was already in the online business, they want lead generations, or they want to see more sales, and e-commerce, affiliate marketing, be it in every niche, like, they're going to provide their services. So you're going to find the people, like, who are in need them, just ask them to schedule a call with these guys, and if the deal is closed, you're going to make the $1,000 commission. Simple, right? So, and I'm sure, like, because I consume a lot of content from them, I know that product is very valuable, and the service that they provide is at a very premium thing. So if you want to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing, be sure to check the first link in the description. That is program created by my mentor that we work with Sebastian, where you're going to get all the training that is required on how to be successful with affiliate marketing, especially with high ticket affiliate marketing. And also, you're going to keep the leads, or whatever leads you're going to generate. It's not only the product that you're going to sell to your leads, you can promote any other offers that you have. And also, you're going to get all the resources that you need to be successful, and also amazing community that can actually help you boost your business. So definitely this product is worth it, and you don't have to buy those high ticket commissions in order to make the high ticket payout. In order to get the high ticket payout, it's a simple thing. Like, you can go ahead and check it out, and it doesn't cost you more than $10. So I highly recommend you to go ahead and check it out. And if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section, or you can email me. I'm more than happy to answer you guys. And I hope you got value from this video, guys, and I'll see you on the next